Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to trim some strings down. But before we start that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Do it now. Okay, thank you very much for that. So let's get on with this. So I'm going to create trim entry. Okay, so this is going to be first function called trim entry, and we're going to print out some user input to the user. Enter a string no longer than, let's say, 6 characters. Okay, so enter a string no longer than 6 characters. And this one is going to be entry is equal to input. This is going to be our input box where the user enters a string in there. Okay, so I'm going to use a conditional, and we use len here for length. So if the length of the entry that the user types in is greater than 6, print entry too long. We'll trim it. Okay, and this is where the real magic starts to happen here. So we've got the entry is equal to entry there, and then we're going to start at the beginning and we're going to go up to the sixth character there, and then we're going to print another message, trimmed string. And I'm going to print out the new string that's been trimmed so the user can see it being trimmed down, or else print, whoops, that's wrong, print string input is long enough. So string input is long. I'm going to put OK. String input is OK. So all we need to do now is run it. I trim entry, calling trim entry there. So I'm just going to save this, and we're going to run it. Okay, so we're going to, first of all, we're just going to enter a string in here that's not longer than 6 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit enter. String input is OK. Right, let's run that again, and let's enter something longer than 6. Okay, and see what it does. Hit entry. Entry too long, we'll trim it, so it's trimmed it down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to do that, by the way, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.